Ni suwing ba sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko nam chaksoa ang Alicia A. Sangma na simang na dalin kuburang ko para katinga. Kata bichungrang convocation ceremony ko tura ITI yung tanga Jowai A.Mang Be.Wakbae Rama Champengjok Shillong drugs padang parang kurma. Jigumukpa kuburang Convocation ceremony ko tura ni Industrial Training Institute ITI yung tanga chaki suwa WRG movement ni jakchi program ka baching tanga jen mongsong pasupokpok nga ramchak swani kata ko argit ko Miss Cruzy Amarak ar training ng takanga ye program mo ITI ni gamin KN marak akan tharatanga Srimati WRG movement jen additional deputy commissioner akana jeko jakhala wa ko nambata na jakhala chung anching ni muksungani ko chusukat na ta saksa mongsong pasupok ba si Trivet jen MSME ni assistant Director nga wabaya program mo speech ko na nga si NW Movement jen ITI ni former principal nga si AFG Movement jen MECL ni additional chief engineer or chairman tura ITI Institute ni management committee rang baya program mo dong pa award ko aro certificate rang ko swala nga aro valedictory speech ko Srimati Peyona prung CH marak ni jakchi daka nga vote of thanks ko di Karshing jen tura ITI ni principal nga daka nga aro program ko machita nga
Facebook, Instagram and through messages you inform to local Tura people that we are ready to serve you for your electrical problem, for your carpentry problem, for your plumbing problem, for your designing needs. And you can take support from Government of India under Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. Under this scheme, you are entitled to take loan of rupees 20 lakhs. Out of these 20 lakhs, around 25% subsidy for urban area and 35% subsidy for village or rural area. And you should do your Udyam registration. It is Government of India MSME Udyam registration. It is free of cost. Any person who want to set up their own service enterprise or manufacturing enterprise shall file an Udyam registration through Udyam registration portal. It is totally free of cost. It is 15-minute procedure. After 15-minute procedure, you will get the Udyam registration certificate to your registered email ID within 3 to 7 days. After that, you are eligible to apply many benefits like you can take the reimbursement of trademark, you can participate in international and national level, domestic and international level exhibitions, so that you market yourself. So many things are there, but you should start that we should be a self-employed and we do serve India. Thank you very much.
Ye jani chisni thar ko East Khasi Hills ni Anti Narcotics Task Force East Khasi Hills ni am sandian ko Shillong takang ha yam sandian yo wamang sakani mi asa bulsi khulgruk square kholachi ko GS Road bara bazar ni ko man ha NTF rang Sutpirsa point so chet ponga gram heroin ko man ge chet vials ge sa phone aro ge sa ATM card ko amount ko man ha NDPS ni ngawamang ni ko sa case ko sikata Mukhajimani aselo dalchi iskutari ko sunapur tanulo a Be.Wakbae Rama Champengjok NH06 nga adita sarangnas khang mukhajimi wani aselo ramarang amang bangi je Be.Wakbae achi mandibad Rama khodi Champengjok jachi mandibad alphuni bakko mukhawata pani asela amang bangbati ramauna Be.Wakbae ha ramarang ko Champengjok ha Rama Champengjok pa amang khura gale darong thalata ni khodakinga Yan dal na kubro nga ni suing pasakanti kon mitela